Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the OctaSpace coin. Ticker symbol is OCTA, OCTA. This coin just got listed on CoinMarketCap a couple days ago, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this coin here. So it's actually down 15.9% today. It's not doing very well today. OctaSpace is their official webpage. They have their own block explorer, so this is on their own blockchain. You can find it at explorer.octa.space. You can find the link to that also on CoinMarketCap, along with Medium articles, a Twitter. They have a Telegram, Discord, GitHub, price, and chart is on here as well. So this token, you can get it off a couple different exchanges. So they're kind of like the, what you would call tier 3 exchanges, nowhere near tier 1. You can get it off of TXBIT or Safe Trade. So actually, I've never even heard of Safe Trade before. It could be new or it could be just very niche. But yes, so you would get Safe Trade on your PC, or you would get it, Safe Trade is all one word, or you would download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store if they have an app. I'm sure TXBIT has an app. You could download that as well on your PC or on your mobile. You would open an account, fund your account with USDT, or it's also paired with Bitcoin on Safe Trade. And then you would go into the trade section on either TXBIT or Safe Trade and search OCTA, and then simply just buy the coin. It is that easy. So yeah, just two different tier 3 exchanges where you can get this coin so far. If you head over to their official webpage, they do have a full white paper over there. So if you go to octa.space, there is a documentation section, a console section, Explorer, links, roadmap, white paper, blog, and a getting started article. So OctaSpace is a cloud platform that allows you to access distributed computing, data storage, and serving, VPN, and more. It's designed to be easy to use, even for those who are new to the concept of distributed computing. With OctaSpace, you can tap into the power of CPU and GPU resources from nodes all over the world to tackle heavy tasks. And if you have spare hardware, you can even become a host and earn by renting out your GPU or CPU or traffic. Unleash the power of distributed computing, secure your data with our VPN, and store your files with ease. And they have pictures of what the architecture of the whole ecosystem looks like on their document section. You can skip right to their document section by going to docs.octa.space. It says, own layer 1 blockchain network POW is used for the financial operations using Octa cryptocurrency to reduce operational costs, decrease commissions, and increase the speed of transactions. The dedicated layer 2 network is used. The interaction of the core and blockchain networks is implemented through gateways that provide APIs for both networks. The core of the system is responsible for the control and monitoring of resources, implementation of application layer, billing, and providing an interface for creating various services. To work with the system, a web interface for users and HTTP REST API for automation and integration with third-party systems are implemented. So they have a whole section on their documents about nodes. We're not going to go over all of it, but they have the installation section on how to install and also uninstall, update, idle jobs, verification, and Windows subsystem for Linux. But basically, in general, the nodes, aka Octanode, is a computer with some amount of CPUs, GPUs, memory, or disk space. Octanodes are the foundation of the compute marketplace, providing the necessary computational power to meet the demands of heavy tasks. These computers are equipped with a blend of CPUs, GPUs, memory, and disk space that allows them to handle heavy and distributed workloads with ease. The nodes are connected to the OctaSpace, which enables them to seamlessly work together to deliver optimal performance and efficiency. So it goes over the requirements that you will need for your system. You can find that on their document section. Minimal hardware requirements are on here as well. And then, like I said, you can go over installation, all that stuff if you want to. They also have a services section, so there's a couple different services here. The first one is the VPN. So the Octa VPN offers a variety of key benefits to its users. One of the main advantages is its ease of setup, which is made possible by utilizing non-modified and open source software that is compatible with a wide range of platforms. Additionally, users have the flexibility to choose from the variety of VPN technologies to suit their needs. There are also no limitations on the numbers of devices that you can be connected to simultaneously. To add to that, the billing model is pay-as-you-go, which means you are billed only for the amount of data you use. This gives you complete control over your usage and costs. VPN access is implemented using the following technologies: WireGuard, Shadow Socks, with V2Ray plugin, OpenVPN. So yeah, if you're just using your VPN once in a while, that might be beneficial because you're not paying monthly or weekly or however you would pay annually. So then they have the CPU, GPU rental. Using this service, you can rent computing power, CPU, GPU, and necessary disk space to perform tasks from the field of ML, image processing, rendering scenes, using Blender or mining. So you can go over that as well. So those are their services. Basically, they're the CPU, GPU rental, and the VPN. Now they have specifications, mining, staking, and wallets that you can go over as well, and monetary policy in the cryptocurrency section. Other than that, if you want to check out the development of the HTTP REST API, you can go over that on their document section as well, and you can find that at docs.octa.space. And you can find this coin listed newly now on CoinMarketCap. It's you can check out all the info on CoinMarketCap. It's sitting at about 22.1 cents today. It's not doing too good today, down 15%. But go check it out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this coin here? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.